Yo, yo, yo. This is my first IRL video. We're at a crazy ass meet. Bro, I couldn't even get in the motherfucker. But let's go see what kind of cool shit we find, bro. Let's go. First and foremost, we're around some decent cars. I'm by a Corvette and shit. Wait, can I, bro? I can't see shit. Oh, my shit's clutch, bro. Fuck. What's going on? Chad, tell me. Bro, it's raining now. It's crazy, bro. What are we doing, San Antonio? Come on, let's go. Bro, they even got like a little Chevy. What is this? A Sonic? A modified one? Bro, come on, bro. We'll be really modifying these, but that's unique, bro. I like that. Wait, am I right? Hold on. I have no idea. But that shit is hard, bro. Oh, little static builds. Little, what is this supposed to be? Like a TSX? I think this is an Acura TSX. On some ECRs. Oh, that's hard. The Honda Accord action. Woo! Oh, fuck. Bro, these are some crazy ass builds, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, fuck, bro. Bro, why is this car so, like, secluded? This is probably the best build, bro. Look at this shit. You gonna pop the trunk on them? Let's see what kind of message it says. Let's see what kind of message it says. Oh, yeah. You pop the trunk on them. Look at that color, too. What does that say? Prove them wrong? Shut up and love it? Yeah. Bro, no one really modifies these hoes. This is crazy. Oh, Meskin has motion. Okay. And the Buick logos that light up. Bro, this is tough, bro. Fuck yeah. Sheesh. Okay. Yeah, I mess with swangers around here. Yes, sir. A little McLaren action. No debt. Oh, I love that. Oh yeah, look at that. Look, Bible quote on that. Yes, sir. The exhausts are right there. That is crazy. Okay, low key. This is low key aura farming, bro. Oh my gosh. Why does he gets like a whole thing by himself? I mean, hey, his fitment goes crazy. Oh my gosh. I gotta see the back. Bro. Oh yeah. Little chain. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that boy. Oh, I can hear the supercharger. Yeah. Oh yeah. A lowered Malibu with a all white face, black wheels. Can't really see, but the lighting. Oh, D-badged on them. Okay. I like to see different shit like this, boy. Oh, they got a modified police car in here, bro? They got a modified police car, bro. Ooh, little Acura TLX Type S. Look at that. Little turbo. Got the turbo with the carbon sleeve. Oh my gosh. That's nice, bro. Black wheels. Forged carbon hood. Okay. Bro, these cars look nice. Little Acura RSX. Ooh. What is this called? A valve cover? I think that's a valve. Oh! I didn't even see this damn supercharger. Oh, okay. I like this, bro. This is hard. Shout him out. Yes, sir. I like that orange. What is this, carbon hood with the latches? Oh, bro, this is hard, dude. What kind of these TEs? Nah, I don't know nothing about wheels, bro. Bro, this is hard. Don't even get me started with this E55 AMG. But this shit goes crazy too. These wheels, I don't even know if they're OEM, bro, but look at this. That shit is hard. I don't know why this shit goes so high. Holy. That shit is wild, bro. Bro, look at these red eyes, bro. What is this? 370Z? Oh, Nismo? Oh my gosh. That song though. Hey, hey. Oh my gosh. Bro, the back is crazy, bro. I could put my whole fist in that hole. Look. Oh. Hey, this truck goes wild with the chromes. That blue is nice, man. Oh yeah. He's low with it. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Oh no. Bro, we gotta run, bro. We got Decepticon, bro. We gotta get the fuck out of here, bro. Oh, bro, this RSX, bro. With the Workmeister wheels. Oh my gosh. That blue goes crazy. Recaro bucket seats. Shout that boy out. Yes, sir. Oh, it's a Type S. Oh my gosh. Integra with, oh my, that shit is beautiful. That fitment goes kind of cool too with it. Okay. Look at that sparkle with it, bro. The Del Sol twins. Little Del Sol action. Okay. Pink Del Sol. Yes, sir. The Hello Kitty mobile. Yes, sir. Back at it again. Yes, sir. Bro, this Volkswagen has the craziest, I don't know if this is paint, wrap, I don't care, bro. Shout that ass out, boy. This shit is hard, bro. Oh my gosh. That fitment is nice too, bro. That's perfect fitment to me. Oh, that front face looks crazy, bro. Low life? Oh, yes, sir. Bro, this dude Joe always popping out with some aura, bro. Bro, they got Bumblebee here. Bro, this Bumblebee transform. Bro, it's literally Bumblebee. Where's Sam Witwicky? Bro, it's literally Bumblebee, bro. What the fuck? Bro, I want this shit so bad. Little GSF? Oh my gosh. Bro, that shit is beautiful, bro. Look at that backside on him. Oh my gosh. Hey, bro. Why does Z got some radios on, man? What kind of fast ass shit you got behind this? What kind of shit you got in here, bro? Oh man, I would not want to race this guy. Oh yeah, that intercooler. Oh bro, I bet you that shit is turboed the fuck out. Holy. Bro, it was raining crazy today, bro. This meat actually turned out really good, bro. There's more over there on the left, bro, but if y'all want to see more of this type of content, I'll make it. But not in this raining, bro. Hell nah. Hell no. But some of y'all loved it, liked it, share it, do whatever you gotta do. Let them know that Rooney loves making this type of shit. I'll see y'all next time, bro.